Hey guys, good morning.
Good morning.
Welcome to another video. My name is Akshay Joshi
And I'm Nandita Joshi.
and today we are at Huliyur Durga, also called as the fort of the tiger, because apparently there used to be a lot of tigers who used to walk around this area back in the old days. And now we're going to trek all the way up and see how's the view from the top. And at the moment it's 700 meters in altitude. Let's see how much time is it going to take us to reach to the top.
The first set of stairs, as per the villagers, was built just 1 year back.
So once you reach the temple over here, you have to go all the way up from this path right here. You can see some markings also over here. It is quite steep, so be careful, but I think there are a lot of crevices and footholds, so you can continue and do it easily. So that's where we just came from. It's about 15 to 20 feet. You'll have to come to the crevices, use whatever footholds you can find, and then continue with these trails over here and go up. Guys, at one particular point you will see an arrow mark pointing this side and another one pointing the other way around. We're taking the left turn, so that's what you're going to see on the camera now. So once you come from the left side where I just showed you, you'll find a big rock over here, and you can see there is a water trail over here as well, and then you can climb this and make your way to the top. Make sure you're going to be wearing the right type of shoes. It's going to be really important when you're going to be climbing a wall like this one. You need proper grip for sure. So guys, this is probably the last stretch, and from my phone I can see the angle of inclination is about 55 degrees. Angle is pretty steep on the left turn. We're not going to go ahead from this angle. We're going to try and take the route which was pointing towards the right side and see if it's going to be slightly easier than this one. The problem with this part over here, there are no footholds, so it's just plain rock, a smooth plain rock. Right here is actually the top of the hill. It's about maybe 50 feet from here, but yep, this is creating a little bit of a problem. So we're going to try the other route and see if that's slightly better. Alright, so I'm a pretty tall guy. I'm 6 feet tall. It's a little difficult to come through this small gap over here. but we made it. That's the gap, small gap right there. So if you go to the left side, that's where you're gonna actually land up, where you actually have to start from a much more smoother rock. And over here, I think this is maybe better. Let's see. So we are actually halfway through the trek now. It's about 760 meters right now, and we have actually found a deadlock over here. We've been trying to climb this small patch of rock over here since a while, but we're just not able to because there aren't any footholds over here. We have tried the route from the left side, which you just saw earlier. This is the one from the right side, and we're not sure if it's worth going all the way to the top right now, given you have to come down as well. But I'm going to make a final push and see if I'm going to be able to do it. If I am, you'll get to see how the views from the top. Let's go.
So only half the battle is going up, other half of the battle is coming down as well. So had to take a decision to call it quits on Huliyur Durga.
Yeah, we've been trying for the last half an hour or so, trying to cover this patch of rock over here. Unfortunately, we have not been successful. We almost made it, but then I decided to not go through with it because, like she said, you got to come down as well, and both of us have to be at the top at the same time. So there's no point one of us being there and the other one being halfway. So we're not going to go ahead with the trek anymore, and we have to be cautious because there's absolutely no one on this trail as well. So that's behind our mind as well. Either way, we are calling it quits for now. Probably we might come back some other day and see if we're successful some other time, but for now, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you found some value out of it, and if you did, make sure you hit the subscribe button, leave a like and a comment letting me know if you actually went all the way up. I would love to hear your stories. Until next time, have a good one. We give up.